In this video we're going to cover payment options for the shopping cart. The majority of users are happy to accept cash payments, but there is also an option to take online payments, and we're just going to cover that briefly here. If you log into the administration area and select components and then EShop, and then if you go to the plugins menu and payments, you'll see that here we have the online payment option available, which requires some configuration. We use Stripe, but you can also use PayPal and authorize and a number of other options. The offline payment is the cash on delivery option, so we can select that. And you'll see there's really nothing to configure. We just have to make it available, save and close. And if I go to the shopping cart, when somebody checks out, whoops, I need to add something to the cart, it's emptied, so I'll just add something very quickly. And check out. I'm just going to create a guest account. And I'm going to say that my delivery address is the same, and shipping's okay because my cart value is under €15. And you'll see here now I have two options available. I can choose to pay securely online or pay cash on delivery. In most cases, users are simply selecting the cash on delivery option. That way when the delivery arrives, they just pay cash. And that's all configured through the back end through the payments plugin. So if you need any other help, any advice on anything, just get in touch. Thank you.